Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's Eva from Noshki's Nails and Plus. I would like to do a review today on the stamping plate from Beauty Bigbang. It's plate 018. I'm not going to do it on my nails because I've done this manicure from a few days ago and I still love it. It's another stamping plate from Beauty Bigbang. But anyway, so here's the plate. It has a total of 6 images and they're mainly of animals. You'll see polar bear, penguins, a fox. So I might do maybe a design using this one and this one right here. And I could probably just stamp these on a lint roller so you could see how crisp the images are. The other two I'll probably do them on some nail tips. We'll see. So let's go ahead and get this started. I already have 2 of these tips prepped, but I can show you the colors that I used and how I went about on giving this like a marble look or whatnot. These are the colors that I chose to use. This was gifted to me from a friend. I think she got them from Forever 21, but if you need the names of the colors, just ask me in the comments below and I'll do that for you. So where is this? I applied just 1 coat of the light blue, like so. Just all over the tip, and then I'm going to grab the other color. And bring some of the other one back again. You could just take the brush and kind of swirl it around like so. Something like that. And if you don't like it, take a little bit of the other color and then do the same thing. I think I put just a little too much of that. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, but I already have 2 already prepped, so we can go ahead and start with the stamping. I'm going to use brown for the trees or leaves, or I'm sorry, the trees, tree bark. And then the wolf, I'm going to add black to that and then just scrape it. Try to avoid of mixing the colors together. Like so. So I'm going to grab my scraper right now. Here's the image. I'm going to try to add it to this because it's the nail is of different shapes, so I can't get the entire image on it, but this is what it would look like. And then let's do the other one next. So the next image I want to grab is this one right here. Maybe we'll do a little bit of maroon wine color here with the black. I don't think I'm going to be able to capture again everything on this image because of the tip I'm using. It's I'm not going to be able to fit everything in there, but I'll do my best. Okay. I'll grab the scraper, scrape it real quick, and pick up the image. Here's the image. Let me see if I can transfer it onto the nail now. I don't think, if you look at it, that stamping polish didn't pick up all the image here, so I might have to do that over again. But this is what it looks like on the lint roller. So let's try that again. Maybe I'll just go back to the brown, the black and the brown, because I know the brown stamping polish I used worked. So let me grab that again. And then do the black. I know that's a lot of stamping polish, but I'm afraid if I don't put enough. Let's see, the tail, it didn't pick up the tail all the way, but here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get all of this onto the plate here. That's the image, so I'm gonna top coat it and let it dry, and then in the meantime, let's go ahead and stamp the other images so you could see how pretty they are. Very pretty. Those are cute little penguins. Alright, we'll move over and do this one next. Those look like the polar bears. Very nice. Very crisp image, right? You could do a lot of cute things with this one. Add a little blue in there and white. Okay, I'm going to flip this over and grab these for you guys. Very cute. What do you guys think of that one? And then the last image will be this one right here. Here it is. Okay, so do you guys like the final look? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. But here's the close-up of the stamping plate, and if you want to place an order, you can. I will be listing their website down below. You can also use my 10% off code. It's DLikeDavid705. Thank you guys so much for watching, and take care. God bless. Bye.